Hello good students, Mr. Chandra here. Today we will learn about safety on the road. Pastinya setiap hari kita melakukan perjalanan, baik mungkin ketika pergi sekolah, pulang ke rumah, maupun berpergian ke tempat yang lain. Bisa juga kita melakukan perjalanan dengan berjalan kaki maupun menaiki kendaraan. In this unit, we'll talk about safety on the road, keselamatan di jalan. Apa saja sih yang harus kita ketahui ketika kita melakukan perjalanan, baik berjalan kaki maupun menaiki kendaraan. We will talk about safety rules on the road, peraturan-peraturan keselamatan di jalan, the meanings of traffic signs, arti-arti dari rambu-rambu lalu lintas, and expressing prohibitions, obligation, and permission, mengungkapkan larangan, keharusan, dan izin. Before we start, I want to check on your understanding on safety on the road. Mr. Chandra mau cek dulu apakah kalian sudah paham tentang keselamatan di jalan. I will show you some pictures and you guess, is it a safe activity or not? Misalnya akan tunjukkan beberapa gambar, kalian bisa tebak apakah gambar tersebut merupakan kegiatan yang aman di jalan atau tidak. Let's start. Is it safe or not? What do you think? Jaywalking, menyeberang dengan sembarangan. No, it is not safe. Using zebra crossing, is it safe or not? Yes, it is safe. Running while crossing the road, berlari ketika menyeberang jalan. Is it safe or not? No, it is not. You can walk briskly, but you should not running or rushing. Ya, kalian ketika menyeberang harus menyeberang dengan bergegas, tetapi bukan berarti dengan berburu-buru dan harus sambil berlari, karena itu akan membahayakan ketika kalian terjatuh. Playing on the road, is it safe or not? Of course not. Ya, kalian disarankan untuk tidak bermain di jalan raya maupun di pinggiran jalan. Walaupun mungkin kalian berpikir jalannya sepi, tapi kita tidak tahu kalau tiba-tiba ada yang melintas dengan cepat di jalan itu. Wearing seat belt in the car, is it safe or not? Of course, it is what you have to do if you ride a car. Using phone while driving, is it safe or not? Of course not. Oke, jadi kalau misalnya orang tua kalian menyetir mobil sambil bermain atau menggunakan handphone, nah, kalian bisa bilang untuk minggir dahulu, ya, menepi terlebih dahulu, menyelesaikan panggilannya atau misalkan menggunakan handphonenya, baru fokus lagi ke jalan. Let's see some safety rules on the road. Ya, kita akan lihat beberapa aturan-aturan keselamatan di jalan dan juga beberapa tips keselamatan di jalan.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn about road safety. I'll help you learn about this. Road safety is the protection and prevention of road accidents by using all the road safety measures. Look closely. It's very important to know the traffic signals. Red means stop. When the signal turns red, all the vehicles have to stop. Green means go. Only when the signal turns green, vehicles move ahead. Yellow means to slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. And now, let's study about the traffic light signals for pedestrians. Red man, do not cross. If you see the red man, it means you should not walk. Green man, safe to cross the intersection. Yes, you can walk now. Now, let's see some road safety tips we should always follow. Look both ways while crossing a street. Never cross if vehicles are coming. Use the zebra crossing only when you see the vehicles are stopped and walking man signal is green. Wear a helmet when riding a two-wheeler. It protects us from injury. Be conscious of driving and always when moving on a sidewalk. Always wear a seatbelt while in the car. It helps against harmful movement like a sudden brake. Don't run and play on roads. It may lead to serious accident. Never stick hands outside the vehicle. Some passing vehicle can harm. It's always recommended to use the sidewalks or footpath. It is made for pedestrians. Do not use your mobile phone while walking, driving, or riding any vehicle. Now you know a lot about road safety. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
On the road, you will find some of signs like this. This we call it traffic signs, rambu-rambu lalu lintas. Let's see some of the traffic signs and the meaning. No parking. It means we are not allowed to park here. Tidak boleh atau dilarang untuk parkir. No bicycle or no cycling. It means we are not allowed to ride bicycle here. Kita tidak diizinkan untuk mengendarai sepeda di sini. No entry. We are not allowed to enter. Dilarang masuk. No left turn. We cannot turn left, or we are not allowed to turn left. Kita diizinkan berbelok ke kiri. No stopping. We cannot stop here. No turn around. We cannot turn around. Kita tidak bisa berputar arah. Turn left. Turn around. Turn right. Pedestrian crossing. We can cross the road here. Warning sign. We should be careful. Parking. We can park here. Study these dialogues. What sign is it? It is no entry sign. What does it mean? It means that we are not allowed to enter. Jadi, ini adalah tanda dilarang masuk. Kita tidak diizinkan untuk memasuki area ini. Can we park here? Yes, we can. We are allowed to park here. Bisakah kita parkir di sini? Ya, kita boleh, kita bisa. Kita diizinkan untuk parkir di sini. Oke, good students. Untuk mengungkapkan tentang aturan keselamatan maupun tips keselamatan di jalan, kita bisa menggunakan bentuk kalimat larangan, kewajiban, maupun perizinan. Prohibition, obligation, or permission. Kita lihat satu persatu ya. Not allowed to. We are not allowed to park here. Oke, ini adalah dilarang atau tidak diizinkan. Not allowed. Don't atau do not. Don't enter here. Cannot or can't. You cannot turn left here. Must not. We mustn't jaywalk. Perhatikan dengan kata yang ditebalkan. Setelah kata-kata tersebut, kata kerja yang mengikutinya menggunakan kata kerja dasar atau infinitive verb. Jadi tidak diperlukan akhiran setelah kata kerjanya. Obligation, kewajiban. Must, you must look left and right before crossing the street. Kalian harus melihat ke kiri dan ke kanan sebelum menyeberang. Have to, you have to wait for the traffic before you cross. Should, you should cross the street on pedestrian crossing. Oke, perhatikan ya. Setelah must, have to, should sama aturannya, tidak boleh menggunakan akhiran. Jadi kata kerjanya adalah kata kerja dasar. Permission. Allowed to. We are allowed to turn around. Can. You can park here. May. We may cross the road. Nah, permission ini berarti lawan dari prohibition. Oke. Okay, students. That's our lesson for today. Remember, be safe and be respectful on the road. Berhati-hatilah dan tetaplah sopan di jalan. Better safe than sorry. Goodbye.
Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Cover your sneezes or cough with tissues or sleeves. Wear masks correctly if you go outside. Keep a safe distance when communicating. Exercise regularly and eat nutritious food. Remember to stay safe and stay healthy. Maseiku, hati-hati.